we're going to take a look at room 3604, which is a preferred ocean view deluxe room. Now, to enter the rooms, you have to have an app called Justin Mobile, and that's going to be your room key. That's the key right there. Let's try it out. Okay, so let's take a look at this room. Pretty spacious. Got about a 55-inch television right there. Got all kinds of counter space here. King size bed. Pretty good lighting in here too. We've noticed it's not super bright, but it's just right. It's pretty good. Take a look at the water closet area. Really self-contained, all kinds of privacy there. A lot of closet space and drawer space. We were able to get all of our stuff in here. Whoop. The room is equipped with robes. You can hang your robes up there every night. This is the dual sink area. Plenty of room for everyone. Now let's take a look at this amazing shower. I'm a big fan of this area. First of all, the view into the ocean is amazing. And it has an incredible shower head. You got one of these giant like rainforest shower heads, which is cool. We're big fans of that. The shower also has plenty of space for all the essentials. These are the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash that Secrets provided to us. They're actually quite nice. As we move away from the shower, let's go check out the main view on the balcony here, which is awesome. This is pretty much an every morning occurrence for me, coming out here and just having a coffee and just watching that incredible view. Now this particular room is equipped with like a hot tub setup. I haven't tried it. It looks fun. And it also has a really nice like sofa that you can just chill on. But either way, you can just enjoy some amazing scenery from up here. Outstanding. The room also features a nice little well-equipped refrigerator, and inside you get a few soft drinks and some beers, and a bunch of waters too, by the way. There's some waters. Got all kinds of sodas. The beers are a little weird. They're like Amstel Light, Amstel Ultra. I think if you ask for like Tecate or Corona, they'll give it to you. Now the room also has an espresso machine that I've noticed they replenish daily. So we've been drinking the coffee a lot. And another nice little perk, they give you these little cans of Pringles. And we get one of those every day with a bag of peanut M&Ms. So it's pretty cool. We've been enjoying those. And lastly, if you do upgrade to the preferred room category, you get this lovely beach bag, which is cool. It's looks like it's made out of a burlap type of material, but it also has a cool little lock there too. So I like that. All in all, A+. We love the room.